In front of me is HOTWAV Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on System. Then select Gestures, tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher if it's not already on to activate it, if you are using gesture navigation. Then tap on Pull Screen into Reach to enable it if it's not already on, and follow all of those instructions to enter one-handed mode. So I have to swipe down from the bottom edge of my screen. As you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can click on this area at the top or swipe up. If you want to disable it, use the same switcher. If you are using 3-keys navigation though, this option will be over here. This option will be disabled. If you want to still use one-handed mode, scroll all the way down instead and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then hit Got it and use your shortcut to enter or exit one-handed mode. Or you can also exit it by clicking on this area at the top. To disable it completely, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!